Okay, SPIX.
Choose an action.
New environment.
New environment. Provide a reference of the room. Your turn.
B12.
B12.
Validate.
Provide a reference of the model. Your turn.
N402A.
N402A.
Validate.
Choose an action.
Change record.
Change record. Choose change type.
Removal.
Removal. Choose severity.
What are the choices?
You can say low, medium,
Medium.
medium. Add a comment. Say ready to record.
Ready.
Your turn.
During the dismantling, the pump and the suction spool were cut and lifted out yesterday, but the model still shows pump base plate and full-length spool, and that poses risk of planning clashes and incorrect work orders.
Confirm the entry.
Confirm.
Choose your actions.
Update model geometry.
Update model geometry.
Raise work order.
Raise work order.
Validate.
Save record.
Yes.
Yes. Choose an action.